Here some question are given. Question is that k power 6 is equal to 2 power 6. What is the value of k? How to find the value of k? Let's start solution. First of all, see here k power 6, that will be written as k power 3 whole power square is equal to 2 power 3 whole power square. After next steps here, k power 3 whole power square, this will become this side, that will be written 2 power 3 whole power square is equal to 0. Power 3 whole square, 2 power 3 whole square. Means that a square and a square. We know that a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. That formula will be applied here. Means that a is equal to kq, b is equal to 2q. This will be applied in this form. After next step, see here a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Here a is equal to kq, b is equal to 2q. So apply in this form. Here kq plus 2q into kq minus 2q is equal to 0. After next step, see here two equation are arise. First of all, kq plus 2q is equal to 0. First equation. Second equation, kq minus 2q is equal to 0. See here next step. Here kq plus 2q means that aq plus bq. Formula we know that a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here a means k, b means 2. So next step, see here, apply here. Next step, see here, k plus 2 into k square minus 2k plus 4 is equal to 0. 2k means here a means k, b means 2. So we write minus 2k. After next step, see here two equation are arise. First of all, see here k plus 2 is equal to 0, first equation. Second equation, k square minus 2k plus 4 is equal to 0. See here k is equal to minus 2. This is the k value, first k value. In next step, see here, this is in the coordination form. So here apply coordination form. A is equal to 1, coefficient of k 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 4. So k is equal to, coordination formula apply here, k is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. After next step, see here k is equal to how much? K is equal to how much? See here minus b value minus 2 plus minus root under b square minus 2 square minus 4, a value 1, c value 4 divided by 2 into a value 1. After next step, see here k is equal to minus plus 2 plus minus root under minus 2 square 4 minus 16 divided by 2. After next step, k is equal to 2 plus minus root under minus 12 divided by 2. See here k is equal to how much? K is equal to 2 plus minus 12 will be written as 4 into 3 into minus 1 divided by 2. K is equal to 2 plus minus 4 square root 2 root under 3 minus 1 root 1 value eta divided by 2. Therefore k is equal to, take common 2, 1 plus minus root 3 eta divided by 2. 2 cancel. K is equal to 1 plus minus root under 3 eta. Here k second value. This is complex solution. Equation C here. Next step, k q minus 2q is equal to 0. We know that kq minus 2q is equal to 0. So this is in the form of aq minus bq form. So we know that aq minus bq formula, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This formula will be applied in this place. So see here, k minus 2 into k square plus 2k plus 4 b square means 2 square is equal to 0. Here two equations are arise. K minus 2 is equal to 0. First equation, k square plus 2k plus 4 is equal to 0. Here k3 value is equal to minus comes this side positive. K3 value 2. Next step, see here, this is in the coordination form. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 4. We know that coordination formula, k is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. After next step, see here, k is equal to how much? Minus b value, b value 2 plus minus root under b square 2 square minus 4 1, a value 1, c value 4 divided by 2 into a value 1. Therefore k is equal to how much? Minus 2 plus minus root under 2 square 4 minus 16 divided by 2. After next step, k is equal to minus 2 plus minus 12 divided by 2. After next step, see here, k is equal to how much? Minus 2 plus minus root under 12 means 4 into 3 into minus 1 divided by a is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 root value 2 root under 3 eta divided by 2. After next step, see here, take common 2 minus 1 plus minus root 3 eta divided by 2 cancel. K is equal to how much? Minus 1 plus minus root 3 eta. This is the complex solution. So k value how much? K1 is equal to minus 2. K2 value is equal to how much? K2 value 2. K3 value how much? K3 value 1 plus minus root 3 eta. K4 value is equal to how much? Minus 1 plus minus root 3 eta. This 2 is complex solution. This 2 is real solution. This 2 is real solution. So let's checking this is correct or not. We know that k is equal to first value 2. According to question, we know that k power 6 is equal to 2 power 6. Put the value of k in place of k. 2 power 6 is equal to 2 power 6. LH and RH